Activity 7. In this we learn how to draw graph of a straight line. So let us take the equation y equal to 2x plus 3 whose graph we need to draw. So first of all let us take some values of x. So we can take x as 0 and 2. You can take any of your choice, the values of x. So 3, 4 and say 6. Also in any order we can take it 5, then say 7 and 1, and also you can take more values if required. Now for every value of x we have to find a value of y. One thing is that we can individually find the value of each y, or we can use a formula. So formula we are already having here, y equal to 2x plus 3, and to use that we will require, what we have to do is first we'll write equal to. So we'll write equal to, and then the formula is 2x plus 3, so we'll write here 2, and then what is x? X, you can see that x is this column in which the A column you can see that, and we need the value of y when x is 0. So what is the position of this cell? How to find the position of a cell? First we always consider the column. So the column is A and the row is 2. So position of this cell in which 0 is there, that is A2. So we'll write here 2, and we will not write 2A2 because in Excel multiplication stands for star. So we'll write here star, and then we'll write here A2 and then plus 3. Then just press enter. So we'll be getting the value of y when x is 0. You can calculate also manually, just 2 into 0 plus 3. So it is correct. Next thing is that just select that 3 again. That cell we have to select in which 3 is there, and at the end, at the corner, you can see that there is a small green square. So you put the cursor on that and then drag it. Once you drag it, you will be getting all the values of y for each value of x. So our table is complete now. Next what we do, next we select all the values of x and y. So put your cursor at 0 and then drag till 3 and till the end. Then after that go in insert and then go in charts, and the first one you can see that is showing only the points and not the line. So first one is just plotting of points, and the second one you can see that it is having the lines as well as the points, and the third one you can see that only line is there. So we'll take the second one, click on that one, and so here our chart is there. Now if you want to increase the size of the chart, you can see that there are small circles at the end of the chart. This rectangular box is there, so just put the cursor on that, and then you can see that double arrow will be there. So drag it, and you can see that the chart has increased in size. And also you can drag it anywhere on the Excel sheet. So just put the cursor here and can drag it anywhere. And suppose next we need to do some changes in this one. So click on chart title, and whatever title you want, that you can write there. So first select inside the box. So what you need to do is just click on that one, and this chart title is there. So we'll delete that one, and suppose we want to give the title as y equal to 2x plus 3. So that is what we can write, y equal to 2x then plus 3. And also you can make it bold also. Just select it. Here we have selected, go in the home page, and then if you click bold B, the letters will become bold. Next thing is that again you can see that here we are having this square is there with plus sign, that click on that one, and there you are having here axis titles, and then x is there. So axis title you can change it. You can write here y axis and x axis, or whatever other things is given that you can write. So let us do the change here. So this will be our y axis. Select it, and we'll be writing there y axis, and here also just click on axis title, and then you can delete it and write there x axis. So this is our graph of y equal to x plus 3. Also we can do some more changes if you require. So just click on this one. You can see that the second box is with the brush, so you can click on that one, and you can see that what kind of style you want. You can just click on that one. So this has changed. This is the way we can change our graph pattern or the style of in which the graph is represented. Then also color also we can do any changes whatever we require. Suppose we require say this orange color, click on that one, so it is orange in color, and if you want green then just click on green. So these many changes we can do, and you can learn more when you will do on your own. So with this the practical is complete.